Once upon a time, there was a farmer named Farmer Brown. He had a problem, and it was this.
His cows like to tie.
Yes, his cows like to tie, and all day long he heard,
click-clack moo, click-clack moo, click-clack moo.
At first, he couldn't believe his ears. Cows that tie.
Click-clack moo, click-clack moo, click-clack moo.
Then he couldn't believe his eyes when he found the letter that the cows had posted on the barn door.
Dear Farmer Brown, the barn is very cold at night. We would like some electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows.
Electric blankets. It was not enough. The cows had found the old typewriter in the barn. Now they want electric blankets.
No way,
Said Farmer Brown.
no electric blankets.
So the cows went on a strike and left another note on the barn door which read,
Sorry, we're closed. No milk today. No milk today.
Cried Farmer Brown. Yet in the background he heard the cows busy at work at the typewriter.
Click-clack moo, click-clack moo, click-clack moo.
The next day, Farmer Brown got another note which read,
Dear Farmer Brown, the hens are cold too. They like electric blankets. Sincerely, the cows.
Yes, we are cold too. I would like electric blankets.
The cows and hens were growing impatient with the farmer. They left a new note on the barn door.
Today are still on strike and closed. No milk today.
And we hens on a strike and close. No milk today.
No milk and no eggs.
Cried Farmer Brown. In the background, he heard them.
Cows that click, click. Click-clack moo, click-clack moo. Cows that die, hens on a strike. Cows that I run and farm with no milk and no eggs.
Farmer Brown was furious. He got out his own typewriter and wrote,
Dear cows and hens, there will be no electric blankets. You are cows and hens. I demand milk and eggs. Sincerely, Farmer Brown.
Farmer Brown needed a natural party to deliver the note, and so he chose ducks.
Since we are a natural party, we will deliver the ultimatum to the cows.
The cows held an emergency meeting. All the animals gathered around the barn to know, but none of them could understand moo language.
All night long, Farmer waited impatiently for an answer to his note to the cows and hens. Early in the morning, ducks returned carrying a note.
Farmer Brown, this note is the answer to your note. You wrote to them.
Dear Farmer Brown, we will exchange our typewriter for electric blankets. Leave them outside the barn door and we will send back our with typewriter.
Farmer Brown decided that this was a good deal. He left the electric blankets next to the barn door and waited for ducks to come with the typewriter.
But ducks had another idea.
It worked for the cows and it worked for the hens. Maybe it will work for us ducks. We will use the typewriter before we give it back. Click, clack, quack, click, clack, quack, click, clack, quack.
The next morning, Duck delivered this note from the ducks to Farmer Brown.
Dear Farmer Brown, the bone is quite worried. We'd like a diving board. Sincerely, the ducks.
Diving board. Farmer Brown had learned a valuable lesson about giving and receiving, so he delivered the electric blankets to the barn for the ducks and hens, milk a diving board by the pond, and ducks delivered the typewriter